Hey, good morning. It's April 16th, 2022. Going to go over a car that we got coming up for sale very soon. I'll be going on Bring a Trailer. It's a 1977 6.9, the Banker's Hot Rod. You can see the car is in very, very good condition. The car was refurbished, not a frame off, but it was a restoration project by a couple of brothers, a couple of really good friends of mine, Mercedes-Benz enthusiasts from Philadelphia. They spent a lot of time and a lot of money getting this car to its present condition. It's in really nice condition. It drives fantastic. Car had a complete repaint done, I think, about 2-3 years ago. It's been properly stored since, so there's no scratches, no dings on the body whatsoever. It's got a brand new leather interior. Wood was refinished by, I believe it wasn't Madeira Concepts, I believe it was Restored in the USA, which is another company that does wood restoration. You can see it's got the 15-inch bunk wheels. It's got new Michelin Premier tires on it with barely any miles. Bright work is beautiful. There's going to be another video done on this car, which will be a little bit more in depth about what was actually done. This beautiful engine bay. The engine bay was dry ice cleaned as well as the undercarriage about a year ago. So the engine bay is really, really clean. Really, really nice car. Here, let's jump in the back and take it for a quick spin. You can see the sunroof works. It sticks a little bit. Definitely needs some lubrication. Let's see if we can get this taken care of. But the sunroof does work. Got the Becker Mexico radio, the original, in good working order. I believe that was rebuilt by Becker Auto Sound. I'll show you real quick how this car pulls. It pulls like a freight train. Take it for a quick spin. And like I said, we'll have a couple other videos done on this car, which will be a little bit more